Okay, say for example, you prepare your cloths to do your wound care with, and this cloth is full of blood or wound drainage. So first of all, you're going to get yourself a bucket full of soapy cold water, and I'm going to insert this into the cold water and let it soak there for at least an hour. Why cold water? Cold water helps you to dissolve all of the blood and the organics from your cloth. When it has soaked for a while, rub it until it is clean. Remove it from the cold water. Insert into a second bucket with hot soapy water. And here you wash your cloth until it is clean. In other words, you rub this cloth. Unfortunately, I only have 2 small basins here with which to demonstrate, and if I start rubbing, I'm just splashing all over everything. But you wash it until it's clean. You remove it from the hot soapy water when it's clean. You rinse it under your tap. Excuse me, I'm just going to rinse. When you've rinsed off all the soap, you take another bucket with, or basin with approximately 5 litre water. You add a 1/4 cup of plain bleach, and you add that to your water. Bleach is reasonably harsh on your skin, so you insert this into the bleach and you use an implement just to push it underneath the water. A clean implement, always clean, eh? Alright, then you leave it covered with water for at least half an hour. So when you are done soaking your cloths and your bandages and everything that you are going to use, all the cloths you use, you are going to drain off the bleach and rinse this cloth that you have in here. I'm just going to remove it now here and quickly dry it with my hand and remove all of this. You remove the cloth and first of all you rinse it to get rid of most of the bleach. Then you hang it outside in the sun and you leave it until it's dry. The sun works as an antisepticum, removing all of the bacteria. So you hang your cloth outside to dry. When it's dry in the sun, you go and remove the cloth, but only touch the corners. I do not touch the inside of the cloth at all. I can fold it another time if it's necessary, and I take it to my ironing board and I place it on a clean cloth on my ironing board. Open it like that, and then you can begin ironing your cloth. And iron it a couple of times, repeatedly, to clean and to get that heat through to remove all the bacteria. Alright, take it at the sides, open it up further and iron again. And in this manner you proceed until you have ironed the whole cloth. Then once again, only touching the sides, I take the corners, fold the corners to one another, pick it up like that, place it down again. Once again, I iron on the outside. Remember, if you use the iron on an open fire, that you have to rub the soot from the iron. Fold it over and iron it again. Like that. Turn it around and iron on this side again. You can fold it further if you need to. And there you go. You take a plastic bag, fold it over your hand. If I can get it open. There you go. Any type of plastic bag will do. Fold it open over your hand so that the inside is on the outside. Pick up, discover the blood, move the plastic without touching the cloth or the inside of the plastic bag. Only your cloth, and there you go. There you have cleaned it. So what did we do with this cloth? We soaked it in cold water to remove all the organic material. Then we washed it in the cold water. Then we washed it in hot water. Then we placed it into bleach, a quarter cup in approximately 5 liters of water. I usually use hot water. Then I hanged it in the sun to dry. When it was dry, I went and fetched it from outside and folded it double, and once again only touching the corners. I took it to my ironing board and I ironed the one side completely. I folded it double ironed, and when I fold it again, I'm starting on the other side, turn it around on the other side and cleanly put it into my plastic bag. And that is how you do it with your cloths. All right.